In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a signature in Canva signature logo. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, professional signature using either a hand-drawn style or a font-based approach, and how to turn it into a simple logo you can use anywhere. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design or a blank document. Pick a canvas size that gives you room to write comfortably. On the left side panel, look for the Draw tool. This is where you'll create a natural, handwritten signature. Choose a marker style that feels smooth, then set your color and brush size. A slightly thicker brush often reads better at small sizes, while a thinner brush keeps delicate details. Use your mouse or a stylus to write your signature directly on the canvas. Take your time, write a few variations if you like, and pick the one that looks most balanced. If you make a mistake or want to sharpen an edge, switch to the eraser to clean up stray marks and refine curves so the result looks polished. If you prefer a font-made signature, go to the Text tab and add a text box. In the font options, browse for script, handwritten, or calligraphy styles that mimic a real signature. Type your name or initials, then customize the color and size. Adjust letter spacing until the letters connect naturally and the flow feels intentional. If any effects like neon or glow are applied by default, remove them for a clean, authentic look. You can duplicate the text layer to test small variations and compare before you commit. To turn it into a simple logo, upload your logo mark or any supporting graphic from the Uploads tab. Drag it onto the canvas and position it near your signature. Arrange the elements until the spacing feels balanced, scale them so neither overpowers the other, and align them to create a cohesive lookup. When it feels right, you're ready to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for high quality. If you need to place your signature over photos or colored backgrounds, check transparent background so there's no white box behind it. Transparent background is a pro feature, so make sure it's available on your account before you proceed. Download your file, and you now have a crisp signature or signature logo ready for social media, documents, watermarks, and branding. That's it. Thanks for watching.